So guys, welcome back to this channel. So if you are new and you don't subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Now let's take a look at our gold for the day, which is on the 1st of November. So make sure you pay attention to it to be able to get this price movement. I want you to actually stick to the end, so and I will explain why we'll be taking such trade. First of all, let's take a look at the trend move of this. What is the trend? This is a bearish move, right? Our gold is actually bearish against our USD, right? Now take a look at this movement, right? We kind of added like this, drop, right? If you take a look at here, you see this price has once came dropped to this level, right? Then we saw it roll up, then it once gone to this level again and we saw it roll up. Now that this price is now dropping again, what level do you think it will be dropping to? Definitely at this level. So we can see that this our gold is actually dropping, right? One of the reasons is that we are seeing a bullish move on our USD index. So if you are following this channel consistently, we would have seen the correlation between our USD and gold. Anytime there's a bullish move on our USD, right, then we tend to see a bearish move on the gold. If you know the correlation, right? I've done analysis on how to trade gold fundamentally. Check the channel, I'll pin it up. So you watch it when I said that once there's a bullish move on USD, there will be a bearish move. So one of the reasons is that if you take a look at this USD index itself, take a look at this movement, right? Full trend, you can see that this is a bullish move, right? So price has once come to this level, tapped here, we saw it tapped here, we saw it. Let's sit on the weekly time frame. So if you take a look at this trend on USD index, right, you see this is a bullish move. We can take it as a correction, right? You see here as a bullish move. We saw a little bit of a correction. Now we saw price broke out of this previous higher highs, and now this has come back to give us a pullback. We are expecting another bullish move. So as we will be having this bullish on our USD index, then our gold will be expecting a bearish move. So have that in mind. So the reason why we actually closed bearish today, which is on the 31, and last week Friday we were actually closed bearish. So this movement we are seeing, right, we want to predict on the 1st of November, right? We are also to be predict that this gold will actually give us a bearish move. We will very much likely open and close bearish. Since price has come and tapped this level, tested this level, came down, tested this level, right? There's strong probability or high probability that price will drop and tap this level. So one of the reasons why we go bearish. Secondly, is that I've included the moving average, right? We all know the rules of trading this moving average. Once the price is above the moving average, which is 10 I'm using, right, we have to go long. But if it is below it, we have to short it. So clearly we see that this price is below our 10 period moving average. So this is an indication that we are now on a bearish move and we are to short it. So that is another reason why I told you that we will be shorting on our gold. Now let's take a look at what this 4-hour time frame actually says, by the way. So what is the trend on the 4-hour time frame? Clearly this is a bearish move, right? We can see that this is a drop on gold. Here comes the correction on our 4-hour time frame. Here is another drop. Here comes the correction on 4-hour time frame. We saw this drop here. A little bit of a correction has been made. Now we are on a drop on our gold. So it just depends on how early you are watching it. If you are watching it early, then I would advise you to enter and short this position. If you are watching it late, well, it's up to you though. It just depends on where you are watching it though. So if you are watching it early, try and short it and take it out to at least a level of 1620. I believe gold will actually drop to a level of 1620. So we are currently trading at a level of 1632. So we're expecting a bearish move. Secondly, is that this price is still below the 10 period moving average on the 4-hour time frame. Assuming it was above the 10 period moving average, I would have advised you to just stay out of this trade. But since it is below our 10 period moving average, then it is a good opportunity to actually enter to short our gold. And let's see what this 1-hour time frame actually says. So full trend, this is clearly a bearish move. So you can see a rejection here, right? Price has given us a pullback. You can see a rejection here, right? But probably you can wait for price to give us a pullback on our 1-hour time frame. Maybe once we have a pullback on our 1-hour time frame, you can enter to short this position though. It is up to you though, and depends on how you want to place this trade on our gold for the day.